You click this video while procrastinating. You're supposed to be studying right now, but you're watching videos about studying instead. I get it. I did the same thing for years when I was a student. But at some point, you have to actually do the work. So, here's how you study for 6 hours straight without losing focus. You might think you have a focus problem, but you don't. You have a discipline problem. Your brain is fried from scrolling short-form content and checking notifications every 3 minutes. You've trained your brain to need stimulation every 30 seconds. And now you're surprised that sitting with a textbook for 10 minutes feels impossible. You're not even burnt out, bro. You're just undisciplined. You've been feeding your brain garbage for months and years, and now you're shocked it doesn't work properly. Most people will never fix this. They'll keep pretending to study or work on their side hustle while scrolling on their phone. You're going to be different. Here's how. Step 1. Shock your system. Most people start studying like they're getting ready for a nap. Lo-fi music, warm coffee, comfortable chair. Then they wonder why they fall asleep or lose focus after 20 minutes. If you want to study for 6 hours, you need to wake your brain up first. Splash cold water on your face, not warm, cold. Do 20 to 30 push-ups or jumping jacks, or run in place for 2 minutes. You need to spike your heart rate and tell your body that it's time to work, not relax. This isn't optional. This is how you prepare your brain for deep work. If you skip this step, you'll be fighting drowsiness the entire time. Do it now, before you even sit down to study. Step 2. Remove all distractions. Deep down, you know that your phone is the problem. I don't care if you need it for studying, put it in another room. If you absolutely need it for PDFs or something, put it on airplane mode and use an app blocker. No notifications, no messages, no just checking real quick. Every time you check your phone, you reset your focus to 0. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to get back into deep focus after a distraction. So, if you're checking your phone every 30 minutes, you're never actually focusing. Your room needs to be boring. No music with lyrics, no YouTube in the background, no distractions. You can use white noise if you desperately need some kind of sound to help you focus. If you can't do this, you won't make it past hour 2. Some people might ask, why 6 hours instead of 10 for study or work sessions? Well, if that's your mindset, this video probably isn't for you. I'm creating it with the general public in mind. People who often struggle to commit even 1 or 2 hours. For them, 6 hours can feel like climbing a mountain, but if they can at least manage 4 or 5 hours, they can gradually build up from there. Step 3. The 90-minute blocks. Don't try to study for 6 hours straight without breaks. You'll burn out by hour 3 and give up. Instead, do this. Study for 90 minutes. No breaks, no phone, just work. After 90 minutes, take a 10 to 15-minute break. But here's the important part. Don't touch your phone during the break. Go for a walk, stare at the wall, stretch, get water. Just don't dump more digital garbage into your brain. If you scroll during your break, your brain switches back to entertainment mode and you'll struggle to refocus. The break is supposed to be boring. That's the point. Your brain needs to process what you just studied, not get distracted by reels. Do this 4 times and you've studied for 6 hours. 90 minutes work, 15 minutes break, repeat. Step 4. When it gets hard. Around hour 4 or 5, you're going to want to quit. Your eyes will burn, your back will hurt, your brain will tell you that you've done enough. That's when most people stop. But that's also when the real work actually begins. The difference between people who succeed and people who stay average is what they do when it gets uncomfortable. Average people quit. They convince themselves they tried their best. You're going to push through, not because it feels good, because it's necessary. If you quit when it gets hard, you'll always be the person who almost did something. You'll always be close, but never actually there. So when your brain tells you to stop, keep going for 10 more minutes, then 10 more after that. By the end, you'll have proved to yourself that you can do hard things. And that proof is more valuable than anything you studied. See, the reality is that 6 hours of focused study isn't normal. Most people can't do it. They'll try for 30 minutes, check their phone, scroll for an hour, then call it a day. But you're not most people. You're someone who refuses to stay average. And 6 hours of deep work is how you prove it. Not to anyone else, but to yourself. Because once you do it once, you know you can do it again. And once you can do it consistently, you become unstoppable. So here's your challenge. Pick one day this week. Commit to 6 hours of focused study. Use the 90-minute blocks. Remove all distractions. Push through when it gets hard. Then come back and comment done when you finish. I want to see who's actually serious and who's just watching videos. If you want my full study system to make this easier, check the link in the description. And if you're new here, subscribe. I only make content for people who actually want to change, not people who just want to feel motivated. See you in the next video.